Vector is a vendor-neutral technology platform that provides members with a wide-ranging network of alternative transportation options and rental car providers such as Hertz. What does that really mean? Well, in short, we provide for ride sharing through Uber and Lyft. So simple that we can, our mutuality advisor, GDM, can deposit in your Uber or Lyft account of your choice ride vouchers up to the limits of the terms and conditions. But also, if you need to rent a vehicle, we can provide a rental vehicle by Hertz through the Vecto platform. So at no cost to you, up to the limits of the daily limits and maximum limits of your plan and according to the repair time for your vehicle. And then we're simply to take care of those payments directly with Vecto. So a great opportunity to provide ride sharing services and car rentals through Hertz. And the car rental opportunities will continue to grow as Vecto continues to expand their platform.